What's up, world? It's your boy Denny with ImagistellTV. I thought I'd choose a topic of something that I'm currently sucking at and working on getting better. Today's topic is about creating good habits for a happy and healthy life. I'm going to break it down and give you a simple way to look at forming habits and give you 4 easy tips to get you started. I'm going to be doing more videos on this subject, so don't worry, chill, we'll work it out. First of all, we all know that there are good habits and bad habits, and that we want to have the good habits. We also know at least some of our habits, and the habits we should have, and the habits we wish we had. For the last several years, I've had the personal desire to be healthy in every area of my life. Physically, emotionally, spiritually, mentally, socially, and whatever other illies I'm forgetting. Like I mentioned in the previous video, we don't get taught emotional intelligence, and we're really not getting taught how to be healthy in any other area of our life either, unless you've chosen it as an elective in college. So I really didn't know what the hell I was doing, but I started diving into the research.
Guess I'm a nerd, huh?
I've been studying psychology, health and fitness, nutrition, and a whole lot of other stuff for a while now. I even became an emergency medical technician.
Saving lives!
So what's this got to do with habits? Well, doing the research helped me figure out how bad we as a culture are with our habits. It also showed me how damaging having bad habits can be, and not just mentally. It showed me how it's the cycle where one thing impacts another, and that one impacts another, and so on. I started learning how to break it down and working it out. The problem I really struggle with is actually applying it. To break it down, let's just make it super simple by putting it in 3 blocks. Starting your day, doing the day stuff right, and ending your day. Starting your day the right way is super important because it will directly impact how the rest of your day goes. We're all doing this wrong. How many of you wake up to an alarm and immediately look at who's messaged you and what juicy secrets await you on Facebook? I do. Those are 2 big things not to do. Waking up to our alarm actually negatively impacts us because it teaches our body not to rely on its natural clock, called the circadian rhythm. And this actually screws with our internal clock, which pretty much just fucks everything up. Ever feel hungry the entire day, and no matter what you eat, you just keep feeling hungry? Yeah, that's the work of not having enough REM sleep that night. The reason looking at our tech immediately is horrible for us is because we don't allow our entire body to warm up, so to speak. We aren't allowing time for our brains, muscles, bones, and butts to yawn and stretch, and this really messes with our body's natural rhythm and actually takes away our literal happiness hormones. We'll talk more about that in another video. Anyway, so ending the day is pretty much the same as the beginning. Tech time before bed causes our brains to think it's still daytime, and so our bodies don't even think about starting all of the little internal processes that happen prior to sleeping in order to actually get to sleep. We also don't allow our bodies the privilege of decompressing and evaluating the data from that day. Ever try to sleep and your brain just goes and goes and goes and goes and just won't shut up? Yeah, you didn't decompress your brain. During the day, our bodies are collecting data and making judgments and, running our world. This means we should be giving our bodies good fuel throughout the day, and that doesn't mean just food. Good fuel would be legit good food, good interactions with friends and family, pauses and breaks in the day to relax, stretch, or enjoy the moment. Again, we'll talk more in depth about these in another video. Here are 4 things you can do to legit start creating healthy habits and becoming happier. 1. Start and end your day with 30 minutes to an hour of no tech. 2. Give yourself at least 10 to 15 minutes when you wake up and before sleep time to do simple stretches. 3. Fuel yourself with the right foods, peoples, stretches, and activities throughout the day. 4. Lastly, and most importantly,
Freaking breathe!
Yeah. Alright, that's all for this week's video. And as always, like and subscribe to this channel. If you have any questions or comments, shoot me a message. Deuces.
What's up, world? It's your boy Denny with ImagistellTV. I thought I'd choose a topic of something that I'm currently sucking at and working on getting better. Okay, yes. First of all, we all know that there are good habits and bad habits, and that we want to have good habits. We also know that at least some of our habits, No. Today's topic is about creating good habits for happy happy and healthy life. Here. 1. Start and end your day with 30 minutes to an hour of no tech. 2. Give yourself at least 10 to 15 minutes when you wake up and before sleep time to do simple stretches. 3. Fuel your body. 3. Fuel your body